Dear students, welcome back to another video lesson from grade 11. Today we are going to work on worksheet number 6 and page number 41 we will cover. Today we'll work on blocks, code blocks. We read more and we will discuss about how many code blocks do we have, and also we have a little bit practice on these blocks, and also I will prepare uh, another gaming or another motion blocks that you will enjoy from this lesson. So let's start today's session. In here we have code blocks. What's exactly code blocks? In previous sessions you have learned that how to use code blocks by a gaming project. When you use the projects you learn more. So because of this I try to bring some gamings or another creating programming, because you learn better. Because if we just talk it and show the picture, you won't learn anything. Okay, code blocks. These blocks are found in control blocks category. We find the code blocks and control blocks. Other blocks can be snapped inside them. Exactly, in previous gaming project we have used it lots of forever loop, lots of if loop, and also in next video lessons or next our lessons we will study more on code blocks. Code blocks will repeat the sequence of the actions or blocks within in it 4 times. You will use code blocks through this book by chapter 7. It means now we are on chapter 3. In chapter 7 you will discuss more on code blocks, but let it for chapter 7. Just learn that code blocks, when we use the code blocks we can perform the actions on a blocks when 4 times or more than 4 times. Another blocks that we have also we have used in dinosaur project. It's about the cup blocks. These blocks are snapped at the end of a script, at the end of a project, like a cup on the end of a pipe. Cup blocks stop the flow of instructions when we need that our game finished, when we need our game stops and don't go it, so we use the stop block. I think you learned this block in previous project. And also we have used the motion blocks. Okay, so now that you have an understanding of different block shapes and how to create scripts, let's take a closer look at the various motion blocks and then we will start creating scripts. But already we have started. The motion blocks category consists mostly of the stack blocks. There are also some reporter blocks. Within the blocks in the motion category, you can make the sprite move in several ways. You can try out the following blocks by clicking to activate. It means when you use these blocks, when you stack the blocks, you can move the objects or activate the objects to run. How we can do it, let's practice it practically. And also today I will use some of these commands for your more information, and I'm going to try to teach you a little bit, half the project today. And in next video inshallah we will talk more, because it's a little bit difficult. So let's start from simple steps that you learn it better. I will open the scratch program. Scratch, stop. Well, our program is loading. Well, you can see that it's ready to work. First of all, Always for starting our projects, we use the events. It mean we use the trigger. Let's bring a dragon in here, and the code blocks. For example, I will use the code blocks for today. Also, I will use the forever loop. It means when we use the codes in here, our codes is going to repeat, repeat, repeat. It's called loop. What does loop mean? It means repeat and repeat and repeat our actions. This is called loop. And in this loop, I will use another loop. It means if. I will snap it in here. So I want to this cat moves from left to right. Today I will show you how to we can move the cat in our stage and also turn the face and how to walk it today. Today we will learn this state. According to the previous project that you have worked, today also you will learn that how to use those commands or those blocks. So let's start about the sensing. When I press what? Key space. Yes, when I will choose in here about the right arrow. When I press right arrow from my keyboard, this cat goes right. So we are talking about the motions in here. Motion is turn right, turn left, go to X and Y or point to any direction. How we can do our actions? Let's change X by 10. For example, when we sets the X by 10, I mean the action the cats goes 10 pixels 8. We have to write this, and when we press left, it do nothing because we didn't bring any code blocks or any instructions for walking this cat to the left side. I can use go to the code blocks and also bring these blocks, but we have a shortcut in here, very simple shortcut. We can right click on it and duplicate it. I will snap it in here. When I press the right arrow, no, when I press left arrow, so the cat should goes to the left side. It means positive side. I will change -10, then press OK. You can run OK, left, right. But it doesn't seems good. In previous version also we did such actions. Today we're learning that how we change the face because we need to change the face. When you click the customs, in customs we have two spreads in here. Also I need to change the face. I can do in many ways. For changing the face, I can find another code block, I mean motion block. I will point it in direction because I need the direction of the face should be changed. Put it in here for the right direction. That's okay by the right direction. But what about the left direction? I can use point to direction, use this code block. When you go to right, that's okay. When you go to left, but in here, both of them are positive. It means because 90-degree and 90-degree positive, you can change it to minus 90-degree. But what's the problem? Right, left, right, left. You see the 90-degree direction completely 90 degrees will change. As you can see when I press in here or in direction, you can see it is about the positive. It's positive and it's negative. You can change the direction in each direction which you want. But I will do another technique in here because it do the exact things which I want. It should change the face to this point and also the not like he's walking on his head. So click there is an inversion, a new version, I mean in version 3. There is an option in here. Just click it. You can find these options in here and use left and right. Yeah, that's okay. You find the key right, left, right, and left. Yeah, now you could uh, change the directions. I mean, how you change the direction. If this is be positive, why I change it to negative? It is be positive. You can see right, left. It won't work for me. I should change it to the minus 90 that it changed my face. Okay. Now this cat it doesn't look that he's walking, just he's moving. Okay, as I've showed for you that in customs we have two customs. One is this custom and another is this custom. When these two customs are together, I mean when we switching, it seems that they are walking. How we can use the next custom in here? It's custom 2. I could use the code blocks in here. For example, next custom, I think it is in looks. Next custom, yeah, in here. Next custom for the right, okay, and for example, in here you can see it's walking on the right, but on the left, no. Walking on the right, but on the left, no. Walking on the right. So how we need also for the left part, I mean when I press left, it should change the direction in here and also change X by 10. And also next custom. Then this is the first part that today you should learn it. I mean now our catty is walking and also he is changing his face, and another video lessons because it's a little bit difficult that it shows I will work it on it that it should jump. We will work in next video lessons and next projects because when you learn this I think you can learn that too. Thank you for your watching. Thanks again. Please don't forget to open your scratch program and watch listen step by step. Then when you practice you can learn more.